Okay. I don't know if my hang on. I don't know if my audio is too high or not. Hopefully not, but we will see how things go. Hello, everybody. Got a new setup I'm gonna try for my stream. So we'll see how that goes. Basically, what I can do is if I like open this, it shows instantly on my screen, or if I like go to Blender, it'll switch. I feel like that's really cool. So yeah, I spent a while doing that. And then like if I go... Actually, I won't show that. This gonna be another game for another arcade machine? No, it's gonna be an entire game. I'm making like a... I want to make an actual full-on Fruit Ninja game. So I'm bored. You know? And then... Here, let me go to the starting thing. So this project's gonna be a little different than Oaklands. I'm gonna do a Rojo setup. And we'll mess with that. So basically... Oh, I guess I can show this somehow. How will I do this? Hang on. Let me show, in case you don't know what Fruit Ninja looks like. I will go ahead and show off that. Let me do one of these. Oh gosh. I didn't mean to show that. Hang on. Video mode there, okay. We go here. Wait, let me try something else actually. Hang on. Add a browser. Yeah. We'll do this. What's it? 1440p. What is 1440p? It is 2560. 2560. Okay, let's see if this works. Transition. Oh my god. Shut up! I don't know if that went through. I don't think it did. Okay, you know what? We're not doing that. I'm just gonna do it the way I should have the entire time. Gonna add a display capture. So basically, this is what I want to remake, right? This is what I want to remake. We got this little thing you can like slice. Hang on. So you can like slice through the menus. And then, hang on, let me turn off the audio. There we go. Basically, you'll be able to hit, what are they called? Flying fruit. So you have to hit them and slice them into pieces. So I'll have to make like this trail with different fruits and have them slice. And yeah, I feel like it could be a pretty good Roblox game. Yeah, you think everybody knows what Fruit Ninja is? Yeah, so that's why it would be a great Roblox game, you know? So we'll try that, and we'll see how that goes. Anyways. As you can see here, I have some apples. Well, first thing I actually want to do is I want to have the fruits fly out of the sky. So we can set that up. Actually, we just set the camera first to make it kind of, you know, go like this. And then it's like this. You know what I mean? Anyways, let's do that. So We'll have the client in it. Name this like camera. We'll do that. We'll do that. And then we'll do function camera in it. Like that. And then we'll do a test print. Oh, we gotta connect to row. Right. Right. Yep. Okay. So it creates these scripts. Looks good. Is this going to be an upcoming game in Oaklands? No, it's not going to be an upcoming game in Oaklands. Hi. We get chat points for chatting here? I have no clue at all. Well, I don't know what chat points are. So what we want to do is we want to do like a run service loop. Man. Also, Copilot is enabled, so it's gonna type in a bunch of random crap like this right here. Even though I don't really need it. I like, yeah. There we go. Yeah, so we'll do self.currentCamera.cFrame just equals cFrame.new for now, unless we add like camera shake. Yeah, cool. Cool. And then I want to disable players, but it's a little hard to do that. A lot harder than it should be, because if I disable character auto loads, since the character never actually loads it, like it's super weird. It doesn't initialize like some client scripts for some reason. Don't know why. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to do a custom character. There's like a name for the model that you make. I don't remember the name of the model. It's just called starter character and parented to starter player. So we create a model. That's a module script. We create a model. Gosh dang it. Actually, I'm not going to create it in there. I'm going to create it in here. There we go. So it creates a model. And now, oh my god, dude. I have to have a primary part set. So we'll create another. How do we do this? Do I just create like a. Let me do this. Yeah. Anchored through. Oh, I broke something. Expected ref got string. How do we do a ref? Do. Okay, I think refs don't even work. They're not documented at all. What happens if I just manually set it myself? Spawned and instantly died. This is what I'm saying. Like, custom characters are so buggy. Creating all these handles, like, oh wait, no, handles are the apples that I had. Like, it creates these animate scripts. It's such a pain. I'm gonna do this differently. We're not gonna do a starter character. I'm gonna do character removal. Let me make this a folder actually. And I'm gonna you. See, it just gave me a bunch of autofilled stuff. Getting a player added. Oh wait, hang on. Player added connect function. And then we'll just. Gosh, I need to disable Copilot. It's giving me a bunch of crap. We'll just parent them to server storage, so that way they get cleaned up when they leave. That should be fine. And there we go, no more character, but see, now we're back to the problem where it doesn't initialize my scripts. Oh, wait. No, it does initialize them. What am I talking about? Yeah, we're good. Okay. So now we need to like get the size, line part size to camera, like something like that. See if somebody's already solved the problem for me. Somebody appears to have. Let me take a look at this. Yeah, we'll use this. Okay. We'll do like a current wall. We'll do this. And we'll do kitchen walls in it. And then we will have a loop right here. Like that. And then we will, let me go look at this code. So let's want to like specify walls.wall distance, like how far we want the wall from the camera. But for now we'll do like 10 studs. That could probably change. Then we have to require green space. And we want to get, hang on. But if there's not a current wall, then we want to create a current wall. And from there, we want to... Here, let me actually change this to this. Do that. We want to do this. And then we want to take the current wall C-frame. Camera to current camera to C-frame. Times that. And they also do minus 0.5. I don't know why. We'll find out later after I test this code. Oh, probably for the thickness of the wall, because if it's one stud thick. Yeah, that's why. Okay, that makes sense. And then we want to set the current wall size to be... And then depth would be 12.this instead of this. Why are you yelling at me? Okay, let me just see if this works. Oh, I need to initialize the wall script. Okay, that was weird. Why was it doing that? Oh, that hurts. Maybe it's because the camera type isn't scriptable. Stat. Seems like it. And then the other problem is that the sun is facing the wrong way, so it looks really bad. We can fix that actually quite easily. We just have to flip this. No, not this. Yeah, let's try something like that. Get this out of the way. Let me increase the wall depth. Be like 25 too. And let me add a material to it. What was the material I was using? I was using wood planks and worn wood endless. And so what I would like to do is I'd like to add like some wall skins. Which is why I'm doing it like this. So that was my phone. Interesting. I don't really like how it does that at the edges. I don't know what causes that. Maybe the skybox causes that? I think it does. I think I'm also gonna add a little bit of extra size to it, so that way, like, yeah. I don't know, I feel like I can't tell if it's like too close or what. It just feels too far. Maybe it's my... I wonder if changing the field of view has like an effect on this. That's really cool, it does. So maybe instead of using like the sunlight as the source of light, maybe I'll make like a box around the player with like a light above. Let me try something. Let me make it nighttime. But it looks really dark right now. Let me make the lighting future. And I want to try creating a light that kind of comes down from the top. So let me like clone this for now. Yeah, it looks good. Okay, and then let's create a spotlight going down or bottom. Wow. Okay. Be right back real quick. Sorry about that. I don't like the lighting of this either. I'm not a fan. Maybe it's the future lighting. Not a fan of it. Yeah, shadow map I like more. Obviously with some work though. So like if we were to create... Just don't like it. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's... I think maybe that needs to be like a larger size. And this might be too... Maybe it's these light types actually. Maybe instead we need like point lights. I like that more. I just want it to be like across the entire board though, but these like... These don't go that far. Maybe it's my my lack of relative scale. Maybe I'm too far away from the camera and everything looks too big as a result. Let's try this. I like that, but then it's messed up right here and right here. Yeah, it definitely has to be nighttime. I really like this though. This looks nice. I think I'd like the boards to be flipped though. So I'm gonna do that. Let me get this point light set up first. Local light attachment. Local light, point light. Light dot brightness to light dot color. Oh, I'm on BRB screen, bro. I did not know that. I did not realize. Well, nobody's been seeing what I've been doing. That sucks. Whatever. I'll show what I have in a second here. Okay, so now if I playtest, I have like this kind of nice wall set up. I would like to have... Hang on, so if I want to flip this, we want to flip it by 90 degrees on the Z. Turn to angles 0, 0 map that. We'll just do pi over 4. Why not? And then we want to swap these. It's not divided by 4. It's divided by 3. No. What am I doing wrong? That's what I was doing wrong. You know what? This is what I get for trying to do pi. There we go. So yeah, it looks good unless I make my screen small like this. Instead of slicing the fruit explode. Okay, I really like this. I guess we can try creating like a fruit. Create a folder called assets. Another folder called fruits. We will create a model called apple. And for my test, I'm not gonna make them slice. So I have to like open the apple in Blender and make it into 2 pieces. I was looking at how, what's it called? Fruit Ninja actually slices their fruits. And I thought that it would be like some complex math thing, but they actually just do a bunch of small little tricks to make it look like it's slicing nicely. So I think we'll be able to replicate that pretty well, hopefully. I'm excited for that part. Anyways, what do we have here now? I guess we can kind of create like a fruit effect, or I guess we'll create like a fruit generator module. And this can be like a test sort of thing. Here we go. Okay. I'll create another function called generate fruit. Well, I guess this would be like fruit wave, because what it does is it does like waves of fruits, and sometimes it can be like 5 bananas, or it'd be like 5 random fruits. So sometimes it'll be like a wave of the same fruits. We'll do like a local fruit amount. We'll do that for now. Oh, I just realized my OBS is bugged out. So my chat has been messed up. Hang on. 1 second. Docs chat. This is a fun project. I don't know. I mean, I kind of want to add a bunch of cool stuff to it, but I'll only do that if I like actually have a good prototype. So for now, we'll just do fruit types in here. We only have apples right now. Fruit type. That code looks good. This does not. Paid storage. Assets. Fruits. There we go. And then what we can do is we can go back to here and this right here is the bottom of our wall. Right here. So like what we can do is I'll have to get the walls current distance like that. And then we will get the bottom wall C-frame, which can be the camera.currentCamera.cFrame times this. Minus the wall height divided by 2. Oh, and we also have to get the wall width because we need to spawn it randomly on the bottom of their screen. So I guess we can get the view size X too. So for now, I'll do like a fruit. Let me let me anchor this for now. Yeah, that'll work. Okay. I'll put like 5 studs in the ears so we can see it. And we'll parent it to workspace. We got an error. Self.wall distance. It should be a walls.wall distance. And C-frame's not a valid member of Apple because Apple is a model. We have to pivot it instead of setting the C-frame. And I can't see these apples. They're too far below. Which is surprising because I'm pretty high up. Unless it should be -5 instead of +5. Oh, it's because I'm entering the wrong value. That's why. There we go. So the apples now like appear where they need to. 5 studs in the air. We want to bring them forward to us, so we'll bring it like 2 studs on the Z towards us. Yeah, there we go. So we'll make it like 30. Cool. So now we kind of have to throw them. And I'm going to lower the game's gravity, I think. I'll do that after we make them fly. Let me unanchor the apple now. And we want the fruit. First, let me pivot it. And then we want the fruit primary parts linear velocity to be like vector3.new math.random. Let's not do math.random. Let me make this good. I'll have a rand up here. And I'm gonna do make the pivot have a 3 to the right and 3 to the left offset, so there's a lot of space. And what we want to do is we kind of want to figure out if it's on the left or right side of the screen. So I'm going to copy this out. And what we want to do is we want to have like a direction, and that'll be if this is less than wall width over 2. So if it's less than this, we want to go to the right, otherwise we want to go to the left. And that'll kind of create this better effect. We have Emberbane as a knife. I don't think that would work. Because... what's the word? There's not knives. We have things appearing, but they all seem to be going to the right. That's because of the starting position. I did it wrong. It shouldn't be this. It should be less than 0. I don't think this is how Fruit Ninja does it. Let me go look real quick. But I'm suspecting that I'm doing something wrong. I think the fruit might come out of the center. Always. Let me double check. No. What it does is it kind of flies upwards from the bottom rather than in a direction. But it has a small directional impulse. which results in it kind of going around, but not as much as I'm doing. So the problem is I have way too much power being applied. We can fix that by lowering this. And we can actually randomize the power as well. Oh, another thing is the fruits collide with each other. So let me disable collision on these. Yeah. Let's also add random velocity, which that code just did for me. But it's way too much. Still way too much. Instead of doing divided by 2, we do divide by 4. That way we have better margin system because it's kind of going too close to the edges. I don't like that. See, this is better. Now, I think the new problem is definitely gravity. Gravity is way too strong. I'm gonna like make it 45. This means things are probably gonna go flying in the air now. Yeah, but that's fine. I want to lower this to like 25 probably. No. Okay, and then another problem is I want to do something like this. That's really cool. We'll increase this to 40 and let's make the apples bigger too. And then what's the word here? Let's fix how it kind of spawns up high. That's because I did this. So now they should spawn like right here. No, they spawn really high up. Did I enter the wrong number? I did enter the wrong number. They don't really go high enough to my liking. Okay, this is cool. I like this a lot. Yeah. Trying to think what to do next. I bet random for the height. I agree. Let's do that. Wrong thing. What we can do is we can do another thing right here called like height strength. And we can really multiply it. We can do that right here. So this will make it have a chance to be lower or stronger. So okay, that's a little too much and that's a little too low. So like 0.8 and 1.2. And then they can kind of really vary. You can see these ones go flying up, but these ones not so much. Now, my other concern now is if I do something like this, versus something like this. I think we'll be fine. Yeah. Yep. Change the height by changing the speed. You're right. And that's exactly what we did right here. Added height strength. We can also change how strong they go left and right by, I guess we'll call it like rotation. Yeah. Copilot did it for me. Rotation strength. And we can multiply that right here. Next to the 25. So if I replay test. Pretty cool. I like that. I guess next we should do the slicer. We can slice and dice. That'll be the fun part. Excuse me. Okay. Sorry, this is just really mesmerizing. I'm really happy how it turned out and I barely even did anything. Just like watching them go up and down and up and down. I really like the lighting. The lighting turned out a lot better than I thought it would. I'm not gonna lie. Okay. Will be fruit, blood, / splatter. Yeah, actually, I have something I'm gonna take from my spray paint game. Let me show you, actually. I think it'll be perfect. Let me, have this up while I go grab it real quick. So I can show it off. Group experiences, spray paint. I added this thing in my spray paint game called Paint Balloon. Sure you can guess what it does. X-axes. There we go. So I have these little splatters right here and I can color them. And I can set a glass material to them. I don't know how this is gonna look. I'm really curious. So basically like this, right? And I wanted to do this and also add a highlight to it. The reason I want to do that is so I can do this. Create these cool splatters. I guess it doesn't really look that good. I thought it would. But I can at least use this for some splatters. Pretty cool. True. The splatter would have to be red, white. Yeah, you're right, you're right. Okay. But yeah, I'll set that up later. We'll make it all automatic when I add like fruit behaviors. What next? The slicer. We'll call it the slicer. I also want to add slicer skins. I think they'd look pretty cool. Because since what I have planned at least, I want to do here. I'll show you what I want to do actually. Rail. Oh, I have to have 2 attachments. Okay. I want to use trails. And I can like texture these and make them look cool. If I don't do trails, actually, you know what? I might not do trails. Well, I'm gonna have to, probably. The reason I don't want to use trails is because I'm gonna have to make them in 3D space. Well, no, but trails would be better because I can do like particle effects. But then I can't make it interface with the UI. This is a problem. I'm gonna think about this. I guess I don't really need the cool UI. But sorry, I'm thinking. And how I want to tackle this before I like get into it and then waste my time. That makes sense. I think I'll do trails because I can add like particles and other cool stuff. But oh man. This is the problem now, isn't it? Sorry if that went through my microphone. I had to move it and it's squeaky. We'll do trails. I have an idea on how I'll do it. Generate trail. And this will create like a part. Well, for now, it'll be not transparent. Yeah. I want this to be pink. We'll have a generate trail. This will be like a trail part. And this is how I can do like the collision check. Or if I'm slicing too. Actually, no, I can't do that. I'm gonna do it differently. I'm gonna use a raycast because I need the raycast direction. Long story. Why can't I type run service? I also can't paste. Oh. That's weird. So I'm gonna have to get my mouse hit position. And I can't remember how to do that. This might have just autofilled it for me, but I don't trust it. I will look at my spray paint game. That is what I will do. Spray can, spray. Should spray equals true. Attempt spray paint. This calls this raycast at mouse. This is what we want. I'm literally just going to copy and paste this code into here. Yep, that looks good. I want this to be the wall. Yeah, what happened to my autofill? Okay. We only want it to raycast for the wall. Limit that raycast to like 100. Alright, let's see how this looks. There we go. So now I have a little cursor that follows my mouse. And yeah, that looks good. The only thing is, we're going to want to bring it forward. Why is this erroring? Let me restart Roho. Let me reopen code entirely. Okay. Is this going to be an arcade machine? It's not. Nope. It's a separate game. Like, not Oaklands. Not Oaklands at all. For now, at least. Okay. So we have the trail. We want to bring it towards the normal. How do we do this? We want to make it look at the normal. We can do that by C-frame to look at. Yeah. So we'll do C-frame. We can just do C-frame. Yeah. C-frame dot look at. No, C-frame dot new. If we do this, then do this plus the normal. Oh, I have to define normal. Plus the normal. And then we can bring it out by like 3 studs. This is kind of the problem I was worried about. So maybe instead of looking at the normal, make it look at me. That works. So, and then I need to bring it out a little bit more. How do I get my coding window to look like that? It's an external program. It's Visual Studio Code because I'm using Rojo. So it's an external editor. Okay, that's cool. So yeah, so now it kind of always sticks out and it's always above the apples, which is great. We want that. We want it to always be above the apples. And now we can actually add like the trail part. So we'll do trail top. Make sure we parent it after. Trail top.cframe. And then trail bottom. Like that. And then trail. Let's see how that looks. There we go. We need to, let me add a trail so we can like look at the properties. Light influence, definitely 0. And the lifetime, only like 0.3 probably. And, oh, we want it to be face camera, definitely. So now if we make this part completely transparent, let me do a test. I have a slicer now. Cool. Okay, let me lower the lifetime. Like 1.5. Even that's too much. There we go. That's too low now. Cool. And we can do some more adjustments to the trail. Number sequence takes key point sequence. Number. What was this? This table of keyframe points? Oh, I see. 0 value with scale 1. Okay, so. We want to like have it kind of go off to an edge at the end. So we'll do 0, 1, 0. And then we will adjust this to be this. And this to be this. It doesn't really work. There we go. Swoosh, 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 swoosh. Transparency's not a thing. Why is it transparent then? Oh, it is a thing. Oh, it's a number sequence. There we go. Pretty cool, if you ask me. So the next thing we want to do is calculate the slice. There's like a multitude of ways we can do that. I don't get why it's acting strange. There's a minimum length. Cool. I can edit it in here. So I guess what like I kind of want to do is I want to add different rail types. So I could add like a water one. I could add some particles. I could make particles like kind of have a cool effect thing. And we could make like vibrant ones that have really rich colors. That go into like this. That'd be cool. Where do I set the segments? Is that a thing you can do in here? I don't think it is. No. Oh, I could also control the lifetime. Which could look pretty cool. Why Apple slashing no work? Because I don't have it set up yet. Just playing around with, oh, I can do transparency too. I'm just playing around with how this looks. Okay. Oh my gosh, wait, I want to do something real quick. No way. If it's working. It is. I got a rainbow one. Look at that. So cool. Okay. No more getting distracted. We have to focus. We'll have like a local last hit. If oh gosh. If not, mouse position will return. Set this, and then we'll do like a last hit check. What is happening? I don't care about that. If last hit, then do this, Last hit. This. We want to check if, because it filled it for me, if the distance is less than 0.1, then return. It's like 0.05. And what we want to do is we want to raycast. I guess we'll write a function for this. Self raycast for fruit. Yep, like that. What is it called? I guess start and end work. And we will do this. And then, what is this? I don't care about this. Actually, we'll make this an exclusion one. And the reason for that is we're going to have to exclude multiple fruits. Actually, we can do this a little differently. We're gonna have to do multiple raycasts because I don't know if I said this, but multiple fruits. So now I'm just gonna make the fruits instantly destroy as a debug test. This is not correct at all, start to end. How do we do this? Raycast from 2 points Roblox. I just can never remember this part. .1 P2 minus 0.1. So from here to here to here. No. And minus start. Yeah, okay. That's not right. That cannot be right. That can't be. I guess it is right. Let's see if this crashes me. Doesn't, but it also doesn't hit anything. Well, let me do a debug print. So we are raycasting. I feel like this is not correct. Hmm. Let me do this differently. I don't actually like this. I've decided. We're gonna do this. No. Yeah. How are we not hitting fruit? Oh, I'm not parenting the. You know what? It's because I'm not parenting the fruit. Oh my gosh. This way wasn't working either. Or it wasn't working before either. Yeah, now it's working. Let me see if I were to change my code back to what it was before. Would it still work? It would. So it's not very accurate sometimes. Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna swap it up to what we had here. Pretty cool. So now we need to do the cool effects, like the slicing part. That'll be cool to do. Let's try that. So I'm gonna have to export this apple into Blender. Hello. Welcome. Let me download this apple. Hop in Blender. Import OBJ. Downloads. Chuck that into the documents. Import. There's the apple. Look at it in all its glory. So literally all we're gonna do is split it down the center. Yep. Split. Wait, what? Separate selection. There we go. And after that, we want to go ahead and just do this. Oh gosh. I don't know how I'm gonna do this part. I don't know how to use Blender. Let me look this up. Okay, I have an idea. We have our apple, right? Oh no. Okay, we take our apple and we apply a what's it called? A boolean. A boolean. The cube. And that slices it like that. And we click apply. And boom. And then we bring this apple. And we move this. How do I do that? Where is that? Right here. We do this. And then we do another modifier of a boolean. And like that. And click apply. And then we move it over here. And now we have two apples. Like that. Normals look a little weird. It's a prototype. So then we get rid of this. Move this back. We export it as a... FBX, why not? Apple split. Export back to studio. We go to the import 3D. We don't want to import it as one thing. Sure, don't do that. So now we have the apple split. And there we go. So the normals are a little messed up. You can tell. And the slice doesn't have anything nice in it. It's fine. Fine for now. Oh my gosh, this apple is giant. You ban daily? Sounds like a great idea. Okay, there we go. So now we have like the apple. The bounce part. Primary part to the bounds. We will weld the model. And we will place it in here. Apple. And then let me just test, make sure it looks fine still. It does. Cool, cool. Okay, and then where it says recast for fruit, let's create a sliced fruit folder. There we go. And instead of destroying it right here, we want to take it and set it to the sliced fruit folder. What are these called? Called vault constraints. Oh, I did get children. So something we want to do is when you hit them, we want to kind of make them fall down. Do that. How can we do that? Hit dot. I don't do any of this crap. What is it telling me to do? We want to keep the angular velocity, but the linear velocity, let's keep it the same on the wall. Okay, that looks really bad. No, it doesn't look good either. Let me double check. I'm going back to Fruit Ninja real quick. So they go up, I slice, and then they kind of just instantly drop them. But sometimes they go I think the thing with them is they're kind of already going down quickly. Oh. For some reason, it's not editing. Oh, I know why. I have to destroy the joints first, and then edit the velocity. No, it does not look good at all. Well, instead of doing this like weird trick, just going out with my mouse. I think my mouse is messed up. Um, okay, so what I need to do is I'll label this left and right. Like that. So left will go left and right will go right. There we go. Cool. So oh my gosh, the trick that Fruit Ninja does is they rotate the fruit right when you slice it, and that trick kind of gets blended in by particle effects, so you don't really notice that it happens, but it makes the cut look like it's going exactly where you're slicing. So I think we can try that. I think it's pretty cool. I don't know. I think I might call it quits for right now. And yeah, because I have to get off for New Year in a minute. Well, not in a minute. In a little bit. So might as well get ready for that. I'm really happy with this. I think I'll continue this. I like slicing the fruits. I really want to make it aligned to my mouse. I just know it's going to be really challenging to do. Thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah, some things definitely need tweaked. And I'll probably like get some actual fruit models rather than this half-baked one I made. But I'll only do that if I have like substantial progress, I think. Anyways. I'm gonna go now. It was fun. Alright. Good night, everybody, or morning, or evening, or whatever. You know what it is. Have a great new year, 2025, brand new. New year, new me. You know what I'm saying? New year, new me. Anyways.